Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to try out the very famous p.louise eyeshadow base. It's very famous, like everyone seems to love this eyeshadow base. So today will be my first time trying this. I just purchased this from Morphe, actually, Morphe Europe. They do carry p.louise. I tried to get my hands on this eyeshadow base since last year, and it was a little bit crazy. Like the shipping was only 19.99 pounds, I guess, and the product was like 13 pounds. So that was like, and I didn't want to pay almost double the price of the product only for the shipping. So I waited, I searched, I waited, and the other day I saw someone on Instagram mentioning that Morphe had a sale. I think they still have it, and I went on their website and I purchased the setting mist, also the p.louise base. I was super happy when I saw this on their website, and then I purchased some brushes. I don't support this person, but I purchased the brushes because they were super cheap. I heard that they cut ties with this person and they put all the products that they collab on sale, so that's why they are so affordable. The eyeshadow palette, it was only 30 euros. I didn't want to get that because I didn't want to get that. I just got the brushes because they were super cheap, as I said. Like only this little brush was 3 euros, which is crazy. I should have bought more than one. This is the 13. This is like a pencil brush, but it feels a little bit more fluffy, so it's amazing to blend under the eyes. Then I got two 12. They are the same. They are a little bit bigger than the first one, and again they are so good for details, to blend, like small portions under the eyes. Again, I bought 2 of these because they looked so nice on their website. They do look nice, they feel nice, the quality feels good. And then I got 3 different blending brushes for the crease. Again, you can use them under the eyes, but I feel like they are a little bit too large for the under eyes. So I bought the 9. I bought the 5 and the 6. Okay, let me show you my real talent here. I dropped it again. You can see that in the mirror. Okay, you see? I got the brush. Oh, you can totally see the brush. So this is all I purchased from Morphe. As I said, I was super excited when I saw this on their website. So this will be my first time trying the so famous p.louise base, and actually I wanted to try this with the Zulu eyeshadow palette because I'm not sure if I like this palette. I mean, some of the eyeshadows are super pigmented, so blendable, so beautiful, but when I tried this palette, like when I did my review on this palette, the yellow and the purple, they they looked a little bit patchy, not so pigmented like the rest of the colors. So I wanted to see if it was my concealer or my eyeshadow base that I used. You need to watch this video because I'm not gonna say anything else. This intro is already way too long. I also used 2 colors from the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just doing the eyes because I really want to see how this works on my lids. If you guys want to see this very famous p.louise base in action, then keep on watching. I'm so excited to try this base. We all know that this is so extra mega hyped at the moment, and that kind of makes you a little bit curious to try it for yourself to see if it works or not. But voices on the street says that this is the best eyeshadow primer. So I got the number 1, the shade 1, and I hope it's not too light. I kind of want to compare it with the Anastasia primer, so I'm going to let you guys know at the end of the video which one I like the most or which one works the best. So let's put this p.louise base eyeshadow primer to the test. Okay, listen, I already have my own thoughts about this eyeshadow primer. It feels a little bit more lightweight. Definitely the Anastasia one is more thick and it has more coverage, and because this one is a little bit more light, more watery, but not, I don't know, it's not watery, it's a little bit more light, if that makes sense. Obviously it doesn't have that much cover like the Anastasia one, but I feel like you can work better with this one because it glides so easy, and I don't know, I like it so far. As we can see, the purple shade is shady, is looking very patchy right here, and as we can see, it doesn't stay purple. I mean, it doesn't look purple anymore right here. I don't know, I don't like where I'm going with this makeup look, but I'm going to continue. I'm going to use the Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. The colors blended pretty nice on top of this eyeshadow base. They look vibrant. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to do my other eye and I'm going to be right back, I guess, with my final thoughts. Okay, I just finished doing my face makeup, also this eye makeup. I just did a little bit of the purple and yellow eyeshadow on the bottom and that's it. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. I don't know, this purple did fade away, like it was super bright and vibrant at first. Now it did toned down a little bit and I'm not that happy about that. Other than that, I really like how the eyeshadow is blended on top of the eyeshadow primer. They stayed vibrant for a little bit, but I guess that's the eyeshadow. It doesn't look bad, but I feel like the color faded a little bit, you know what I'm saying? To be completely honest, I don't know, I like them both, but I feel like the Anastasia is a little bit better. Just because it has more coverage and it feels a little bit more thick. I failed with the shade on this one. I need to purchase another one a little bit more like my skin tone, you know, because I feel like both they are the same color. They don't have other colors to pick from, like this is one for everyone, and that's not it, because you know we have different skin tones, and this is way too light for me, even though I'm white, pasty white. They definitely need to work on a color range, because honestly this is not universal. Okay, so Anastasia is pretty good, hella expensive for what you get, you know. You can totally use a concealer, like what the heck, you don't need to pay for eyeshadow primers. You can use a good coverage concealer and you're done. I can totally recommend you this concealer as an eyeshadow primer, base, whatever. This is the best, but as I said, I need to try more products to give you more options. So this is a must. Okay, if you don't want to invest in eyeshadow primers, get this concealer. You can use this under the eyes, it's amazing. I love this as an eyeshadow base, like the best. Maybelline, you did good on this one. So I feel like this is a little bit more manageable, but the coverage is not amazing. But if you let it dry a little bit, because this one did dries down, not that fast, but it did dries down. So if you let it dry a little bit, you can build, like you can totally build this on the lids. But then I feel like you will have way too much product on the lid. It will feel a little bit heavy. I don't know, I do like it, but in my opinion the Anastasia is better. I'm not trying to be shady here, I'm just saying what I like best. Anastasia is the bomb. Okay, you need to work on that price, girl. because this is expensive. I do recommend it if you're just getting into makeup. I feel like this is a good product to start because, as I said, it's very manageable. The coverage is pretty nice, but it's not the same coverage. Oh my god, I feel like I sound so shady. I'm sorry, you guys. I do recommend it. I like it. I'm going to play more with this. It's my chair. I'm sorry. I'm going to play more with this, as I said, with different eyeshadow formulas. Yeah, I hope this video is not too confusing because I feel like I already confused myself here. I'm sorry for that. So good. Aritos. Oh, I like the mango one. So good. Lime is okay. Pero mango, oh my god. So yeah guys, as I said, I hope this video is not too confusing. So let me know down below if you guys tried the p.louise So Famous base, and what do you think? What are your thoughts on this product? Do you think it's worth it to invest in this type of product, or is best to use a concealer? As I said, I do like to use concealer sometimes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know down below what do you think about the base, and also let me know if you tried the Anastasia one. Anyway, let me know down below what do you think, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. My chair is so noisy today. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.